Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very beautiful crochet triangle stitch, and as you can see I've worked with 1 2 3 and 4 corners. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 4 and 4, then we'll come right here and going to make a slip knot, then going to chain 1 2 and 3, yarn over, let's go right here, space, pull through and make double crochet, yarn over, yarn over, and then make a double crochet, then chain 2, 1 2. So we have 1 2 and 3, and yarn over again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, so we have 1 here, 2 3 4, come here, right over here, up here, and over, slip knot that way, then again we're going to come right there with a big slip knot, and right there chain 3, yarn over in this space here, see, to make 1 and 2. So you have this here, this one here is 3 chain and double crochet and double crochet. So chain 2 again, see. Then chain 2 again, I'm here, right here in this space here. Chain 2, the same space, make 3 double crochet, then chain 2 again, 1, 2, yarn over right here, 1, 2, now as from here we're going to chain 1, then turn our work. As you can see, we're going to work in this each of the spaces, so I'm going to make slip knot here that way, again in this one that way, and in the last one. Then going to chain 3, yarn over, okay, we have 1, 2 and 3, so we have to chain 2, chain 2 again, chain 2, okay, we're going to come over here, space here, then chain 2 again, and chain 2, 1, 2, chain 2, here, and as you can see, it's how it looks like. So you're going to chain 1 from here, turn around your work, and going to work in these spaces on top. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to make chain of 3. So we'll leave it one more time. So we're going to chain 1 here, 2 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over again, chain 2, yarn over, 3 double crochet, chain 2, from here 3 double crochet, chain 2 again, over here right in space, chain 2 again, chain 2 again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, chain 2, then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to work in this space here on top. So to that way. That, last one, then chain 3. So as you can see how it's going to look like as this one over here. So you see we have our lines here going this way as a wave. So this is how it could look like if it goes bigger and bigger as this one over here. So you can use this crochet pattern and tutorial for your scarves, cushions, or any crochet project as you like, and it's going to be a very beautiful one as you crochet with 4 corners, and then you make 6 double crochet with 2 spaces in between these 2 of them, and then you're going to get 1 here and 1 here as you 2 stitch. So as per the tutorial, I hope you like it, and please like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.